Want to know how to change your reticle type in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've opened it up, you should go ahead with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, make sure you should be on the main menu, and on the top right side you should be seeing something known as settings right here. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected settings, by default you should be under video, and on the middle you should be seeing to have something known as gameplay. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected that, here you can just simply scroll down. So right below reticle color you can see reticle style, which you can change from. So it comes in various options. You can change from circle, precise, wide, dot, drop, and all of these. So you can just simply select apply once you select it in one of these. Now you can just simply open up a game, hit towards ADS or perform an ADS, and you should be good to go, and you should see the change. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and remember us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.